has landed.
I knew if we corrected the trajectory vector by 2.54 degrees, we'd get sufficient launch velocity.
It's true! It's true! It's true! I am a bad photo boy! I'm just ugly.
Yep, last Friday. Your dad never gets around to cutting the grass till Saturday.
Phew. I don't remember it being this muggy in Friendly Falls.
Really spooked you, didn't I?
Why, it's a salamandrian Newtosaurus! My primitive ancestor!
Hey, who you calling primitive, blue boy?
Oh, no! I'm one of your biggest fans! I mean, yes, there may have been swifter, stronger, denser, and scarier dinosaurs, but none could match the chameleon qualities of the Newtosaurus!
I prefer to think of myself as an impressionistic artist. Watch this.
Raptidon! Allosaurus!
Pterodactyl!
Ahem. Excuse me, but can you do anything other than dinosaurs?
What else is there?
Well, like that, for instance.
Please! Mammals are beneath me! Shoo, you mangy furball!
You watch. One day, mammals like me will dominate the Earth.
Whoa! That's a good one!
So, kid, if you rule the world, what happens to us dinosaurs?
Most of you go extinct, but some of you evolve into birds.
Stop it! Hey, stop it! You're killing me here!
I can fly! I can fly! I can...
Oh, that's just Bruce. He also thinks we're gonna be overrun by something called glaciers.
He's right. It's called the Ice Age, and...
Clear! Now we better get out of here before we cause any more future-altering damage to the ecosystem. Oh, Gilligan!
Hey, matey. The ship she broke up, and now we're stranded on Gilligan's Isle.
A pirate? I thought this episode was about Ginger losing a contact lens.
Hey, anybody need a lift to Malibu?
They can get off the island whenever they want.
And so can you.
Just tap your ruby red sneakers together and say there's no place like home.
There's no place like home. There's no place like home.